Hey guys, Rave here. Today, I have some channel announcements and all that stuff. So, I've been losing my interest in Pokemon. So, we're gonna make the slow but steady switch over to Magic. So, to start, we have one pack of Dragons of Tarkir. Got this from Walmart for $3.98. Let's crack right into it. So yeah, if you don't like to watch, I guess it's fine if you unsubscribe, all that stuff, but I guess you'll have to deal with it for now. So here's what the pack looks like. Has a dragon on it, isn't that awesome? If only Pokemon had more dragons. Ages 13 and up. Nice and colorful. This is by Wizards of the Coast, the original makers of the Pokemon trading card game franchise. Show you that. 2015 premium card odds 1 in 67. So let's crack right into it. Alright, so let's start. So we got Volcanic Rush, Jabuka Warrior, Wandering Tomb Shell, Contradict, Einok Artillerist, Herald of Jamoka, Airy Bowmasters, Tormenting Voice, Keeper of the Lens, Reckless Imp. Uncommons are Swift Workite, Sight of the Scalelords, and Acid Spear Dragon. Our rare is Avatar of Resolute. Awesome. And let's see, what do we have here? It's a Swamp Basic Land and a Genmonk token. Alright, so thank you for watching this video. As always, it's been Rave, and I'll see ya next time. Peace out.